Shikla Safi, Principal, Glendale Academy, and it's my very great pleasure to welcome you all to our annual Farm Day. The Farm Day has for very many years been one of the most significant events on our calendar. This is when we strive to give our Glendale family a glimpse of rural India, of village life right in the heart of the city. So as you can see, the campus is full of parents. We have more than 1,000 students and parents attending today. We've got projects by our primary on display. We have a wide range of stalls selling handicrafts. There's a pottery studio, there's a bangle making studio, there's a jewelry shop, and there's even a Raitu bazaar. Getting animals into the picture, we have our petting zoo, of course. We have various birds on display. We also had a wonderful feature called the Pet Ramp Walk. We also have animal rides for everybody to enjoy. We've had very many interactive games for parents and students to participate in together. And we have a really good food court serving wonderful delicacies from Haryana, which is our partner state, and from Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. So some of the attractions on the menu are jawar roti, we have kadhi chawal, we've got fresh sugarcane juice, dahi vadas, the list is endless. We hope everybody has a wonderful time. As I said earlier, the main mission of Farm Day is to bring us closer to our roots, to bring us closer to nature. That is why we attempt to do this and give you all a wonderful Sunday afternoon.
Hi, my name is Aarti Raipureddy and I work as a pre-primary teacher in Glendale Academy, and I take a great pride for this day because it is the complete team effort, and it is I would say the great support from all the heads. That is the reason we are all here. It's a big day. And today, if this is happening, it's purely because of the team synergy. Okay, each and every, I think everything, be the stall, be the trees, be everything. It's vibrating. It's vibrating as a farm day. It's totally a different. It doesn't look like a school, to be honest. It doesn't looks like a school, but I would say we are all having a great time. I think I can see all the smiles. It's like bring a smile on every face. So
Afternoon, myself Devi, and I'm a teacher at Glendale Academy. We're so happy that Farm Day is organized in such a great level, and it's a team effort. We can see all the parents happy and children are just enjoying it, and so we are all enjoying. All thanks to the teachers, our management for giving us this opportunity to arrange this, and then we had an amazing experience working for this, and you can see the success here. Hip hip! Hooray! Thank you so much.
Afternoon everyone, I am Siddhi Tiwari from Nasser School at Khairtabad. I came here for the Farm Day at Glendale. I thank all Glendalites to arrange such a wonderful event. I am enjoying a lot over here.
Hi, this is Sonia here, and my son studies in Glendale Academy. So we're very happy with the setup done by the school for kids and pets. Especially, they have allowed all the pets to come, and they had ramp walk for the pets. So it was really wonderful and amazing show. Thank you.
I am Nikita Gilida, and we've come for a farm day at Glendale Academy, and it's a fun experience. We're really having fun, and this is a day when you are allowed to get the pets, and kids are so excited. They're having such a nice time, and yes, it's a great event. Thank you.
Hi, this is Raghu Kunche. Please subscribe City Light E-News. This is Amardeep Chaudhary. Please subscribe to City Lights E-News. Watch it.
హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, నా పేరు ఊహ. అందరూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి సిటీ లైట్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, this is Adi Pinisetti. Subscribe to City Lights E-News.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మీ నిఖి గల్రాని. డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం, నేను మీ పాయల్ రాజ్పూర్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
I am Sandhi Meghna. Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
This is Manas Nagulpalli. Please like, share and subscribe to City Lights E-News.
నేను మీ లహరి షరీఫ్. సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్ మీ ముందుకు వచ్చేసింది. సో బీ రెడీ ఫర్ న్యూ అప్డేట్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hi guys, this is Kajal. Do subscribe to City Light E-News.
నేను మీ సెట్. సో మీ అందరినీ సెట్ చేయడానికి సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్ అని ఎక్సైటింగ్ అప్డేట్స్తో రాబోతుంది. సో డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
నేను మీ విశ్వ. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
టు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం, మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.
హాయ్, దిస్ ఇస్ గీతా భగత్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సిటీ లైట్ ఈ న్యూస్.